Do not try this, it's dumb, it's stupid, and you'll get in trouble.
This is the moment of truth, I'm nervous.
My adrenaline's pumping right now. I'm surprised we made it this far.
I think we just got discovered.
I want a tail drop off of something.
I think you only got one shot at this.
Oh, that's really tall.
Take me to the nearest duplex receptacles, please. All right, you guys, we're here today for a very stupid video. Very bad idea. It was actually Devin's idea, and for those of you who don't know Devin, Devin is our boss / our Braille mother. What better Braille mother than Devin to tell all of your Braille kids to go and illegally skate inside of a Home Depot? Mama knows best. Don't do anything you're about to try in this video. We're not endorsing you going to skate in stores. That's a very dumb idea, and we are very dumb people, but we're professionals. We're gonna go to Home Depot right now. Our plan is to put the boards into shopping carts, roll them in with the camera so they don't see anything through the back entrance, and then go to the wood section and skate there, because I guess it's just fitting, right? Fetty and I get recognized every single time we go to that Home Depot, so I'm hoping that they're just cool about it.
That level, man.
So anyways, Carlos, you had some predictions. What do you think is gonna happen, my friend?
We want to play skate, right? It's gonna say S. We're gonna play S.
I don't even know if we're gonna be able to get a letter. And if we get kicked out, I think, you know, we just play a game in the parking lot. Let's do it. Let's do it. Time to go. We're at the point of no return. We're about to pull up to Home Depot, and can I just say, this is like one of the stupidest things ever. With that being said, I think it's gonna be a lot of fun.
Final words, Uzi?
But Costco, like, they've tried to make us.
Let's get it. This is the moment of truth, I'm nervous.
I think we should look up Home Depot skateboarding policy.
No, what the?
I don't think they have one.
Bro.
The policy will be no.
I think if we go to the wood section, they'll say, what are you doing? And we'll say, we're testing out this wood.
Yes, Dan.
Oh yeah, to make some ramps. Yeah, that's actually genius. No, wait, hold on. He didn't actually mean what we just said. We thought.
I mean, we're testing out the wood on our skateboards.
What?
It went from genius.
Wait, no, you just ruined it. You shouldn't have said anything.
We're having a stakeout right now.
Yeah, this
Oh
is.
yeah, straight up, dude. No.
They got security
right there.
Oh,
shoot.
Wait, no, wait, guys, that's the exit.
Oh.
Cardboard
This is
box.
like a James Bond villain layer. I think, you know what? It's confidence. You guys have to be filled with confidence. You guys are all worried. You got to be filled with confidence.
I'm not.
Oh, there they are.
We're waiting for you guys.
You guys took forever.
Go find a spot. Let's go.
Just shut up.
Just tell me to shut up. Little feisty guy.
Hey, I had to let him know.
All right, hey, it was nice knowing y'all.
This noise is hurting my brain.
All right, Dan, we've infiltrated Home Depot. Now we're gonna try to find the best location to pull out the skateboards and not get kicked out.
I want a tail drop off of something.
You know, I could go faster. I'm just, I'm taking you for a nice stroll. Okay, Rochambeau, quick. We just got a Rochambeau, quick.
We're not really doing anything that bad.
We're just skating inside a store, okay? So
I ain't afraid.
Carlos is first.
Of course I go last.
And you're last?
I'm sorry.
This is the worst idea we've ever had. Oh, wait, employee. Down. Okay, you're good. That was wow. That's the FBI. I think they're coming for us. You want to be any louder, Uzi? They're right there. Dan, they're right there. They're right there, Dan.
I'm surprised we made it this far.
We're doing good. Good job, guys. Good job, guys.
Gotta have a pause so it sounds natural.
Jeez, Gabe.
That guy looked right at us and just kept walking. He does not care about his job.
That was the softest fall I've ever seen.
I've always wanted to skate in a Home Depot. Is the ground good?
It's amazing.
This is working really well.
Yeah, look at Uzi go, man. He's actually playing really well. It's Giovanni.
Okay.
It's a kick.
Why am I the only one falling right now?
You're carrying a freaking American flag made out of balloons. Highest hippie jump. Shoot your board under the aisle and jump over that. That's it. They know we're here now.
No pop.
I missed you, buddy.
I love this man right here.
My like adrenaline's pumping right now, dude. It's crazy.
A guy shopping just looked at us and gave us the most confusing look for like 15
Yeah,
seconds.
he was like,
I think we just got discovered. Oh. If they come kick us out, I'm gonna beg to let us stay.
Do it to 8 and then pick a new location.
We're
Finish
just
this game.
gonna keep going. And if we don't get kicked out, then we have a full game of skating here.
I was just a different scenery, you know, go to the kitchen section.
Oh.
Dude, they saw us and just walked right by.
Jeez, Uzi.
Just to be clear here,
Yeah.
we're playing 8 in this location and then moving.
Yeah.
Okay, so
You
you
got
have
one more try.
Okay.
Hold up. We got someone watching us. Uh-oh, hey, they're calling the authorities. We've been discovered. The woman that saw us is now talking to someone. I don't know if they work here or if they're just shopping, but I think they're impressed. They're right behind us. They're in the aisle behind us.
I love how everybody is so awkward right now. We're just like all looking in different directions.
Wait for her.
Hey Dan, I'm just waiting for my turn.
Whose turn is it? Yours?
Yeah.
That was loud and good.
That was a loud one right there. I feel like we need... I think we should switch up locations, Dan.
She's breaking the employee handbook anyways, it's cool.
Oh, see, we're out here breaking the rules and we catching employees breaking the rules too. So really, who's at fault here? Still us, but hey, keep an eye on her.
Yeah, we got dirt on her now. She was texting.
She was walking that way. It's probably like one of those things. She's like, skateboarders are supposed to be on this aisle. Where are they at? And like we're just behind her.
Quite possibly the loudest
It's the
thing.
loudest thing ever.
I've never heard anything louder. My eardrums are ringing. We might as well change this video title to Flying Fighter Jets in Home Depot. That was the best trick all day. Oh, you know Carlos is in pain when he drops the
I landed primo.
I just started high-fiving myself like this and I got butterflies in my palms. It was the weirdest thing that ever happened to me.
Yeah, okay. Wow.
Hey, we should temporarily close the aisle.
Let's do it.
We're good, Dan.
Temporary close, guys.
How did you land that?
I don't know.
Wow.
I fully just saw an employee go.
Yeah, 2 of them.
They're starting to look.
They're beginning to believe.
People are starting to murmur. There's something cool going on.
I don't even care anymore. Oh, now I care.
Whoa, we almost got another member of ICan'tSwitchFlip.org.
He knew the password, so I couldn't not let him go.
That was a good one. Get us kicked out of the store, now that the game's almost over.
We have a
Okay.
spill on aisle.
Chris's defense the last few weeks has been unbelievable.
Rebate.
I'll count that. They're calling someone to lumber.
We gotta switch to a different kite.
Good job. Take me away, Gabe.
They're on to
Okay,
us.
this is the slowest getaway.
We gotta
ever.
get out of here. Tokyo Drift it.
Oh God!
I'm looking for faucets.
Uzi, lead the way.
Take me to the nearest duplex receptacles, please.
Looking for
All the doors. It was like Monsters Inc.
We're making our great escape.
I need to find 20-foot conduit. Kinda little.
Doesn't work.
God.
Where are you going, Gabe?
We're just going.
We don't want to get the bystanders in trouble.
Should I just caveman from the top?
So wait, you want to tail drop the top of that?
I want to caveman from like the top of one.
I said we should go back to the wood hour.
The game's
We
over.
did.
Game's over.
You finished it?
Yeah, you lost. You were like, I'll help you referee and commentate, and then just.
And then no, he was literally showing me a video of a baby duck.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Oh yeah, I did get distracted by that.
See if I could just at least try it, maybe. I'm
That's
gonna go walk up there real
That's the
quick.
ender.
Devin had a really good idea for suggesting this.
The other one in the aisle. I'm gonna put it right there.
Wait, you're gonna caveman down this way?
I'm gonna try. That's a normal noise here.
Yeah. You need to relax. Should we keep moving?
We should just move and then come back.
Then come back.
when she's hidden.
Oh, that's okay. No, it's too much.
He's looking for masonite now. Maybe it's a good diversion. That's our boy. We can go in the other aisle and try the other one. I mean, I'm gonna try it like once or twice max, so.
I think you only got one shot at this.
Right? She onto us?
Yeah.
Alright, go. Back to the wood.
Let's go find another giant staircase.
You better do this first.
Oh, that's really tall. That's super tall, I'm scared.
I knew you were scared.
Guys, it cannot be up on this, not with no skateboards. I'm sorry, this is not for customers.
It's not for us.
That's it.
It's not for us, Gabe.
What? What'd she say?
She just said it's not for customers, that's all. All she said was it's not for customers, that's it.
Oh, I'm not a customer, I'm not buying anything.
The ladders.
Oh, we've been caught. Hey, she's pointing us out. We gotta go. We gotta go. She's showing us to someone. We gotta go.
You're following us.
Really?
You got it.
I can't see.
Oh, never mind, you're good.
My glasses.
Gabe, this is not the time to be.
Good.
I'm escaping. We can go out this way. We made it, Dan. We made it. I never thought we'd make it alive.
Oh, yes, Carlo.
I'll do that real quick. Hold on.
Yeah, let's go. That was unbelievable. I'd like to give a huge shout out to the hardworking people at Home Depot who didn't care about us for 30 minutes, and then the one time we actually want to do
Dude,
something cool,
I think
they're like,
low-key-
no!
I think low-key they were betting on this. Like, who do you think's gonna win?
Seriously. There's some videos to my left, to your right. Go ahead and click those, check them out, subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and we will see you next time. Go to brailleskateboarding.com for all of your skateboarding needs, and remember, do not try this at home. Don't go to your local Home Depot and try this. It's dumb, it's stupid, and you'll get in trouble.
Don't be like us.
Bye.
Bye.